Students, I hope you all are safe at your home. So as in the previous video we saw the starting of the chapter number 10, the spider and the fly. In that we have seen that the Spidey is inviting Flip each and every time with a new reason to come to enter the web, but the Flip is denying. Okay, so now let us see what the narrator is saying. The spider turned round about and went into his den. He knew quite well that the silly fly would soon come back again. Oh, silly, silly fly, what could you possibly gain by flying into danger's way all over again? The spider quickly waved a subtle web in a little corner sly and set his table ready to dine upon the fly. Then out he came to his door again, and merrily did he sing, for he just wanted to get hold of that thing with the gauzy wings. So as I have told you that the Flip denies again and again. So what does the Spidey do? Okay, spider goes again towards his web and thinks that the Flip is very much silly. She will possibly come again. Okay, and when she comes, I will keep my meal ready. That means in the corner पे उसने उसका जाल बिछा दिया था कि जैसे ही fly आएगी, I will make her enter into my web and I will have my beautiful meal ready. Okay. So now spider, come here, pretty fly with the pearl and silver wing. Come listen to the pretty song that I have for you to sing. Your robes are green and purple. There's a crown upon your head. Your eyes are like a diamond bright, but mine, oh, they are as dull as lead. Okay, so now spider is वो अलग रीज़न ढूंढ रहा है टू जिसके साथ फ्लिप मान जाए. सो नाउ स्पाइडी क्या बोल रहा है दैट ओ यू आर सो प्रिटी योर विथ द पर्ल एंड सिल्वर विंग एंड you come and listen to the pretty songs which I will sing for you, and your robes are green and purple, and you have a crown on your head, and your eyes are bright as diamond. But at the end the Spidey says, but mine, they are as dull as lead. So Flip replies, oh my, you do say the loveliest things. I'll come in by and by. I'll not hurt your feelings by thinking you to be sly. So at the end, finally the Flip is been convinced with the Spidey, and Flip says that you are so lovely, I will come into your web. Spidey, come dear one, with brilliant eyes and green and purple hue, your crowned head and gauzy wings, there's none so pretty as you. Again the Spidey says that you are the prettiest one in the world, and nobody can be compared with your prettiness. Narrator, alas, alas, how very soon the silly little fly, hearing the flattering words, come slowly flitting by with buzzing wings. She flew around nearer drew at last. Up jumped the cunning spider and fiercely held her fast. He dragged her up his winding stair into his dismal den, and she never come out again. So here the narrator says that वो बातों में आ गई and she entered the web, and then she was never able to come out again. And now, dear little children, you may this story read. To idle, silly, flattering words take care to never pay heed. To an evil counselor, close your heart and ear and eye, and take a lesson from this tale of the spider and the fly. So the narrator says that the moral of the story is that you should never come into the flattering words. लोगों की बातों में आने ज़रूरी नहीं है. You do whatever you want to do. लोग अच्छी अच्छी मीठी मीठी बातें करेंगे बट वो हमारा अच्छा देखेंगे नहीं. ऑल राइट, सो यू शुड think what is good for you and you should go on the path which you liked, not the people liked. Okay, I hope you all have understood this chapter through this video. Thank you and have a nice day.